Alright, so got these Hampton Bay quick connect ceiling fans here outside of a restaurant patio. See, the blades are pretty warped on these because they're not outdoor rated fans, so if you have outdoor rated fans outside, then they wouldn't do very well. And you can see over there, there's a Hampton Bay Farmington. So yeah.
That's interesting.
And yeah, there's this over here. So yeah, I did a video here last year with Brian, but it wasn't really good, so I figured I would come back here and do it again. So yeah, these are all the fans here. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and thanks for watching.